Okay, 3020 and enter. Take it back to HSI. We're good. Instruments check. Mixture for best power. Primer in. Okay. Primer in and locked. Throttle 1700.
Takeoff, Mesquite Airport, 87 Basin Hotel is current altimeter 3019.
Okay, so let's see. Let's go ahead and get our, well, we're gonna have to get another one again now, right? Because altimeter is now something different.
Mesquite Metro Airport information, Hotel 2150 Zulu observation. Wind 300 at 5. Visibility 10. Sky condition is clear. Temperature 14. Dew point 3. Altimeter 3019er. Visual approach is in use. Landing and departing runway 36. Notice to airmen, use caution for birds in the vicinity of the airport. All inbound aircraft are requested to use landing lights for observation from the tower. Advise on initial contact. You have information. Hotel.
Okay, so now we have hotel.
Mesquite Tower, Cessna 49er, 54 Hotel, holding short runway 36. Like to get an east departure, VFR, and we have information. Hotel.
Cessna 49er, 54 Hotel, Mesquite Tower, hold short runway 36, traffic on short, traffic's about a half mile foul.
Holding short runway 36 for inbound traffic, 4954 Hotel. Mesquite Tower, 47 Zulu is over 20.
Cessna 47 Zulu, Roger, continue to runway 36, out of bounds on left to right brake.
47 Zulu.
Cessna 6031, make a right 360, we're in at the left downwind.
Right 360, 604.
Triple 470, brake left, you want a midfield left brake?
470 affirmative, midfield left brake will work nicely.
470, traffic east of the, west of the airport, right 360, should be no factor, keep your pattern in close. Runway 36, brake left, runway 36 cleared to land.
470 clear to land, we got that traffic in sight.
470, Roger.
And we'll keep it tight.
Cessna 4954 Hotel, runway 36, cleared for takeoff, not late, traffic's on a midfield left brake.
Clear takeoff, runway 36, 4954 Hotel.
470, traffic departing prior arrival.
470, got him in sight.
Okay, transfer altitude. Carbine cold, mixture rich. Flaps up, fuel on. Trim set for takeoff. Beacon light is on. Landing light is on. We are going to hit this on the roll because we have inbound traffic.
One to the left down, runway 36, report turning left base.
left downwind 36 and report left base 6031.
From 470, taxi park in the Alpha.
470 Park B Alpha. 6021 turning base.
4601, runway 36 cleared for the option, wind 3005.
36 clear for the option 6031.
Hotel, please to change approved.
6 change approved, 495 Hotel, thanks for your help.